Hello everyone. Today we will be doing a guided meditation, a non-sleep deep relaxation. You will be able to calm yourself down, relax, and practice yoga nidra. Take a moment to lie yourself down or sit yourself down wherever you so choose to be, wherever you are that feels good. I want you to squirm into however makes you feel the best. Just deep relaxation. Sigh yourself into wherever you can to feel deeply relaxed. Any thoughts at the start of your practice are the wind, the wheels, the waves of your body, mind, and soul. You will calm the ocean of desire, removing anything but happiness and tranquility in your body with this practice. I want you to feel that if any negative thoughts come your way, let them wave away into the gutter of your mind. Let them float off into the space in front of you, behind you, the space your legs occupy, the space your mind occupies. Throughout the practice today, I'll be saying different body parts, and you will focus all of your visualization, your energy, your intention, your mind and soul, all feeling connected to that part of your body. Try not to think of the word, but rather feel the feeling. I want you to lay down and feel the sensation of a light spring's rain, ever so lightly tapping your skin. Imagine the rain tapping on yourself as you hear and feel the rain drift on all sorts of parts of your body. As you feel the air or wind or draft in the room, let your body touch the wind. Let your body feel the energy, the space around you that you can connect yourself to. As you breathe in, whether you're laying down or sitting, I want you to make sure you breathe with your diaphragm, letting your stomach raise and grow big, as if you had a heavy dictionary on your belly button. And when you breathe, you're told not to move your chest. So breathe, pushing the dictionary up, and breathe, pulling the envelope down. Breathing with your nose. If you must breathe through your mouth, you can. Continue breathing, inhaling, deep exhales, making sure your ribs don't flare out, making sure they're tight, pushing out all the wind and air in your body. And when you push that air back into yourself, feel your stomach grow, your diaphragm grow. Focus on the different parts of your body. Focus yourself feeling good. Focus on the hair on your head. focus on any hair on your face. Feel the connection of yourself to space that is around you. The space that is always, forever touching your body. Feel your left hand. Feel yourself make a fist. Either actually make the fist or feel yourself make a fist while keeping your hands exactly still. Feel your stomach. Feel your abdominal muscles growing. Feel your body feeling good, being happy with your appearance, being happy with who you are. Feel your shoulders. Now feel your tongue ever so lightly touching right behind your teeth, behind the top row on the hard palate, lightly, as if you feel the light as a feather, your tongue touching the roof of your mouth, behind your teeth. And while you're touching it lightly, you can allow your tongue to rest there. You can allow yourself to focus on the energy in your eyebrows, in your hair, that connect you to the never-ending amount of space around you, the space in between yourself and whatever objects are around you. If you're outside, stare at a tree or stare at anything you so desire, focusing on your nose, focusing on your face, opening your eye, staring into whatever is in front of you directly at one point. Feel yourself stare, focusing as hard as you can, focus deep in your brain at one exact point, and you let whatever else that's around you go into a blur. Feeling yourself connected with the energy and the field of reality, as if you are a celestial observer. The energy is of your body. The energy to put in whatever good idea into your head that makes you feel like you're a better person, and that makes you feel like anything that bothers you is not worth it. It's not worth it letting anything bother you, because you can be yourself. You can be yourself. You don't have to care what anyone thinks about you as long as you're not hurting anyone. Feel every single part of your body, every single part, as your eyes close and you focus back on your tongue being behind your front teeth. Focus on yourself being one. Focus on yourself being rejuvenated. Feel yourself letting go inside your brain. Whatever you so choose to envision, I imagine explosions going off inside my brain. It could be an explosion, or it could be the birth of a tree, or it could be the growing of plants of happiness. Supernovas. You are your own universe. You are your own universe. So allow yourself to love yourself and allow yourself to feel connected with every part of your body. I like doing yoga nidra outside in the cold, and I can feel myself generating heat. Feeling a stick of butter slowly melt on a metal pan on low. I think of the fat in my body, burning that fat. I imagine a huge, big bucket, metal bucket that's been over blazing hot coals of fire. This is so hot and it's completely dry inside. Feel the water being poured, a whole pail of water being poured into the bucket. It's so hot that it instantly turns to steam. Feel yourself making your own steam and your own heat in your hands, in your feet, along your spine, slowly like a candle with the fat in your body. Feel yourself make energy. Feel yourself being content. Take deep breaths. Tell yourself, after this practice, my day is going to be wonderful, and I will try to make other people around me happy and make the day of at least someone in some little small way. Make a joke, be happy, just smile, just do what you gotta do to be you, because once you care what other people think about you, you're not gonna have a good time. So open your eyes, take a deep breath, and have gratitude that you were able to just do this practice. Gratitude with yourself for being where you are, having an internet connection, being blessed to be yourself, and spread the love with as many people as you can. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this was better produced than my last one. I actually know this one is better, so I'll try to work on my voice, and I'll try to share more of my meditation techniques with y'all. I doubt anyone's listening, but YOLO swag. Double inhale, y'all. Peace out.